Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto right here on markets.com. So if you want to buy crypto, first of all create yourselves an account and then you will see this screen right here. Then from now we select right here on crypto and now you will find right here a list with all the crypto that they are having. So if you scroll down and scroll up, you will find right here the crypto. So let's say we want to buy a specific crypto. We can also go here to search and search, for example, for Ethereum. Then you will find it right here. We select Ethereum and then right now you will see right here the chart of Ethereum. From now we click here on buy and then you can fill in right here the quantity in contracts, how much you want to buy. So 0.8 is now a value of 1693. So if you put this on 1, you can buy exactly one position right here. So what we're going to do now, we click right here on place new order. And now we created ourselves a position on Ethereum. So this is how you can buy crypto right here on markets.com. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.